Good evening to all. We are in Machinery Expo Kerala. I would like to welcome you. I am going to explain what are all the compressors are available in FS Compressors India Private Limited. We can see the range of compressors which is available here. First we will see our base model available in FS Compressors India Private Limited. This is our Reciprocating range of compressors model A series, and this compressor is available from 1 HP to 20 HP compressors. Here I would like to mention one important thing. See, this is our prime product in A series. From 2012 we are in Indian market. We have supplied more than 11 years of these compressors without any problem in maximum of the company. Maximum of customers are very satisfied with this compressor. And this compressor is available with triple cylinder, no one having from 5 HP onwards. Up to 5 HP itself we are having in 2 HP compressor, 3 HP, 5 HP. And all the compressors ranges are with triple cylinder. And our prime information is, this is our 100% duty cycle, which is here we can get 100% utilization from this compressors with low RPM, giving a good power solution for the customer. And next one, this is also a reciprocating compressor which is available in FS Compressors India Private Limited. Actually, this is a new launched machine with single cylinder machine. The model is CT series as of now, which is available in 5 HP, 7.5 HP and 10 HP compressor. This is also our prime product, a booster compressor which is for high pressure application like PET bottle and some of other blow molding and laser cutting operations. This compressor model is available from 10 HP to 40 HP compressor. Hi, now we see our screw compressor range. See, this is the Firstair make. Firstair is one of the product which is available in FS Compressors India Private Limited. See, this compressor is starting from 5 HP to 250 kilowatt. That means 4 kilowatt to 250 kilowatt we are having, which we are seeing this compressor model with compressor, tank mounted and ultra pack of dryer, filter, everything available from 4 kilowatt to 11 kilowatt, which means 5 HP to 15 HP compressor. Let me see the next range of compressor. One of the prime product of screw air compressor in FS Curtis. So this is NX compressor. This is completely a direct driven compressor, and this model is available from 15 kilowatt to 90 kilowatt compressor as of now in India. And all over the world of group of FS compressors having this NX series range. So this is a gold awarded product, and it will be a very good running compressors in the world.